Easy Clambake Recipe. A clambake is not only a way to make clams but also an event in and of itself. It usually takes all day because all the seafood ingredients are cooked in the ground in a heated pit, which you can do of course, but I prefer to use ovens and other such modern conveniences. A summer clambake is something to remember for years to come for both the food, the alcohol and the company. You know us, we are all about good food, good friends and good conversation. So, for those of us focused on the indoors, how do we do a clambake? Ingredients: cherry stone or little neck clams, lobster, summer sausage, or any good sausage in a casing like bratwurst, corn, potatoes, mussels. Instructions. And after you have it all together, get a large baking dish out and fill it with about a ½ inch of salted water or seawater if you have a notion handy. Then pile in your foods, seasoned potatoes and corn if you're using them. If you have seaweed available or can obtain some at your local store, please do so, as it gives the good and authentic sea taste. Build a foil tent around the baking dish. Make sure it's nice and high and this creates an foil mound. There needs to be a good sized chamber so that the steaming action can get going, similar to the hole in the ground. Remove your center rack and place this on the lowest rack. Cook at 450 degrees for 1-2 hours until everything is well steamed and well done. I highly recommend good beer, fat tire, or a great wine to enjoy while you are cooking. Clambakes are always social occasions, so feel free to invite some people over and have a party.